I have given easy. Then directly I have given hard.
Recording
So
has started.
that's why I'm changing my plan. That first I will give you easy only, and then after 2 3 week I will give you hard one. I guess I have directly given you hard one. That's why you are not interested. So just take the screenshot of this, and then afterward, if you have doubt in this how the answer is 10, then you can ask me. And today's puzzle I will show you at last. Okay, you have taken no screenshot so that we can start exercise 1C, question 4. So let's see now. So this is that answer. You can match your answer, those who have tried. Here they have given that all Indian and then all international. But in my fair book I am showing you. You can see how I have written. This is B.
राइट
First
राइट
Indian, then
मैम
international.
मेरा हो गया है ये सब पजल मतलब बुक में फेयर
हाँ
बुक में
किया है ना? हाँ, then you can match your answer. I have written like this. Indian.
written in fair book.
Okay, so match your answer.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Okay. You just have to
Ma'am,
revise
my
name of the.
answer is right. Baloch Miza.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
my answer is also right. Jinshia Fatih. Ma'am, my
Uh,
answer is also right. Dereya Khadija.
okay, Khadija, very good.
Ma'am, my answer also right. Nayani Sakina.
Very good, Sakina. So I am happy
Right.
that so many students are trying. Very good. And is there anyone who has tried but answer is wrong and has any doubt? Like if you have any doubt regarding that what is different between Indian and international? So that also we have discussed that there are two different. One is that where we will put comma. That also I have explained that how we will put comma. Do you remember no how we will put comma in according to Indian and international?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
name of
ma'am.
the places also. First five places are same, then other few places are only different. Otherwise, first five places are same. Ones, tens, 100,000, and 10,000. So all of you match the answer, no? So we are starting exercise 1D now. Or do you have any doubt? Then you can ask me so I can wait. Is there anyone who has doubt?
No.
Shall we start
No,
exercise
ma'am,
1?
I don't have doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't doubt. I have no doubt. I have no doubt.
Okay.
I have no doubt.
Okay.
No doubt.
And whose turn has not come for the captain, please write your name in the chat box. Then Miza just read their names and tell me. Miza.
Okay, ma'am. Bajaj Fatima.
Her turn has not come, yes. So Bahajaj Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
your turn has not come, no?
No, ma'am.
So you are today's captain and you already know when I will tell you to give me names, so you can give me their names, whether from chat box or whether from IDs. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you can tell me the names, first name for reading from here till here.
1 minute. Hasman Saima.
And speak loudly also. Your voice is, I guess, low.
Yes, ma'am.
So Saima, do you want to read?
Yes.
You can read from the heading. And wait, I'm just closing the door because I'm also getting so much disturbance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Simon. Now you can read from heading.
Okay. Grounding. The International Space Station is permanently posted in outer space. It flies at a height of about 400 kilometers and goes around the Earth at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers an hour.
Very good. So here they are giving information about, you can see there are few satellites which we launch. This is also one kind of satellite only, artificial satellite, not natural. Moon is natural satellite, and there are so many artificial satellite, means man-made. You can say man-made, that artificial satellite which we launch. So here they are giving height of about 400 kilometer. So when we use about, that I want to ask you about. Like suppose if I'm asking anything to anybody, like salary. Suppose if a person A is asking salary to person B. Now suppose the salary of that person is 28,790. So it nears to 29,000. So he will not say 28,790 particularly, but
Yes,
he will say that it is about 29,000. मतलब अंदाजे से
yes.
about.
We are
When
not
someone asks,
sure.
huh, and even someone asks you that what is the price of your dress or price of your bag. So suppose you have some idea. Okay, maybe my bag, price of my bag is maybe. Suppose we are saying not specifically means which sure, but you just have an idea little bit. So you are saying approximately, अंदाजे से.
Yes.
Okay, suppose of 4,000, but actually price is 4,100. Suppose, but you are just saying that maybe it is about 4,000. So that is 0, 0 you can see backside. Here also 0, 0, here also 0, 0. So we don't consider कि 100 rupees है, 10 rupees extra है, उसके ऊपर कितने हैं. We just say round figure. Okay, that concept is here. And sometimes suppose you are doing shopping and you have done shopping of 995. So suppose that shopkeeper doesn't have any change of 5 rupees. So how many rupees you will give? You also don't have change. छूटे पैसे है ही नहीं तो कितने लोगे? इतने की शॉपिंग.
Ma'am, we will give 1,000. 200. 900. Thousand. Thousand. 990. 99. Sorry. 90.
Okay, there are three answers. Okay, if you have done this many rupees shopping, so whether someone said 900, then someone said 990, and someone said 1,000. Now in this both option, that shopkeeper is getting less money, right? In this both the option,
Yes.
shopkeeper को हम थोड़ा कम पैसे दे रहे हैं. So this is not a good impression of ourselves, right? Suppose if I am going
Yes.
with my family or someone or alone, so it is not my good impression. मेरी impression अच्छी होगी दुकान वो जो shopkeeper होगा उसके ऊपर, इसने तो पैसे कम दिए हैं. That
No,
is not
ma'am.
good impression, right? So we will
Yes.
give 1,000 rupees, 5 rupees ज़्यादा, right? Even if you have heard many times, then in hotel also some people give tips to the waiter or someone just for impression, because impression and that really matters for few people.
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
195 है, उसको 1,000 हम देंगे because we don't have any change, right? Even that shopkeeper also.
Yes.
So that is called rounding. Okay, round figure जो बोलते हैं ना हम, that. So understood this concept? What is this concept about?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now next name, Bajaj Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
So Bajaj Fatima, whose name you said for reading next?
Malad Aisha.
Malada Aisha.
Malad
Okay.
Aisha.
Ha.
Yes, ma'am.
So if your mic is working, Malada Aisha, then you can read this.
Okay, okay. The figures 400 kilometer and 228,000 kilometer and are not exact figures, but they are close to the exact figures. Figures. They give an idea to about how high the space sta-
Station.
sta- station is and about how fast is it traveling. They are rounded figures.
Very good. So this line is very important. Here, what is written that not exact figure, but they are close to the exact figure. मतलब exact figure नहीं दे रहे हैं. Actually, this is not 400 kilometer. Suppose it is 410 or maybe 397. It is like that. But उन्होंने 397 किलोमीटर नहीं बोला है. But about they are saying, you can see not exact figure. Exactly नहीं बोला है कि 397 या 403 या 405 या 407. बट उसको राउंड करके बोला है जो क्लोज जो भी जीरो वाला नंबर होगा उससे. So that line is very important. Now let's see some rules. And even in my notes also I have given the same rules. Oh? If you have seen that PDF in that. So next name now, Bahjaj Fatima.
Baloch Miza.
Baloch Miza. Okay. Miza, you can read from here.
Okay. Rules of rounding. Revise the rules of rounding given as follows. When we round a number to the nearest 10, we use the nearest multiple of 10.
Very good. So this is very important, nearest multiple of 10. Now first I am explaining what is multiple of 10. Means in the table of 10, 10 ones is 10, then 10 twos are 20, then 30, then 40. Means all the numbers which has 0 at last. Whether 1 0, whether 2 0, whether 3 0. You can see in 400 how many zeros are there at last?
20.
In 400 how many zeros are there? Say together.
30. No, 20. Ma'am,
In,
20.
in 28,000 how many zeros are there?
30.
3 zeros. So this is
30.
of 10. Okay? These numbers, these all the numbers are multiple of 10, which has whether 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. That all the numbers are multiple of 10. This word is very important, huh? That's why I'm forcing you. Hope you are understanding. And if you have any doubt, ask me anytime. Just say, excuse me, please repeat this. So I will just explain it again, this one. What is multiple of 10? When we multiply any number with 10, so we get whether 20, 30, 40, 400, 500, whether 1000, we get 28,400, anything we get, which has 0, whether 10, 20, 30. So that is multiple of 10. Okay? Understood? Multiple of 10. 20, 30, if you will see the table 10, so 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, gap of 10. Okay, that gap of 10. Again, I'm writing, so just see that there is gap of 10. 10 ones are 10, then 10 twos are, say together.
20.
20.
20 twos are,
20. Two ones are sorry. 10 ones are 10, 20 twos are 20, 20 threes are 30, 10
13,
fours
30,
are
10 fours
40,
are
10
40,
fives are
10
50,
fives are
50,
50, 10
10
sixes
sixes
are
are
60,
60,
10
10 sevens are 70,
sevens are
10
70,
eighty, 10
10
eights are
eights
80,
are
10 is
80,
100,
10
10
nines
nines
are
are
90,
90, and 10 tens are 100.
10 are 100.
okay, enough. Only I am writing this many. So you can see that gap of 10. कि सबके बीच में कितना गैप है? कितने कितने का गैप है?
10 numbers का
10,
10
10
10 का gap से. Okay, you can see between 10 and 20, between 20 and 30, between 30 and 40, there is gap of 10. So these all the numbers which has gap of 10, they are multiple of 10 because it has one zero, you can see. Now again I'm rubbing this and I'm explaining full sentence. So I'm explaining this full sentence because these are rules of rounding. Means उसके कुछ rules होते हैं, like in the subtraction also there are rules of borrowing. Then in addition there is rule of carry, means when we have to carry the
Yes,
number.
ma'am.
So in all the concepts there are rules. So here we will learn this rule. So again I am reading and explaining. When we round a number to the nearest 10. So जो question है next सारे उसमें round to the nearest 10 भी है, then 100 and even 1000. Nearest 100, nearest 1000 and nearest 10. But here we have to see about nearest 10. This one, only this question, nearest 10. Then nearest 100, then nearest 1000. Because in exercise, three kind of questions are there. Nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. We have to see about this nearest 10. Okay, so first I'm explaining this one. When we round a number to the nearest 10, कोई भी number है, like I have given the example, 995 rupees. You have done shopping of this many rupees. So you will not round that to 990, but you will round to 1000. Okay, this way. And suppose if the price is not 95, but it is 91, that shopkeeper will only say that only give me 990. I don't want 1 rupee. Like if you will give, then also will not take. So it depends on what is the number. So we have to see multiple of 10. So we are starting only this first one. Huh? These two I will explain later. This is the first question. So if you have written the notes, then you can write with me. And if you want time to write the notes also, then I'm showing. Did you return the notes after finishing question 4 of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And those who have not written, please they can write. The same I have written, this same rules.
मैम रफ बुक में
नहीं fair book, obviously in the fair book.
ओके मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
अभी लिखना है.
हाँ, because then only you will maintain the fair book. Then only you can do that exercise 1D with me. वो मेरे साथ साथ ही तुम लोग को करना है exercise 1D question 1. But if you have not leave the space or if you have not written the notes, then how can you start with me that exercise 1D? So if your fair book is maintained till that question 4, that Indian and international, then write notes this one and then start with me that. And how much time you want for this?
5 minutes.
Who is saying that?
Tanzira Banu.
And other students, those who have not written,
7 minutes.
okay. And those who have already finished, please say your name.
मैम मैं वर्क
Ma'am, I Balat Miza.
अच्छा
Okay.
मैम मैं वर्क अच्छा
You can zoom your screen. In your mobile, you can zoom the screen also. I guess you already know that you can rotate that also, means you rotate your mobile and then you can rotate the screen also.
Ma'am,
You can zoom also. And if you can't see it,
yes, we
then
have tried in the prayer book
in the
now. Okay. With which pen? Black or blue?
with blue, you can write with blue. I have written with blue only, but from cam scanner I have taken the picture now. That's why it looks like
मैम
it. Yes,
ये फेयर बुक में
Ma'am,
लिखना है या रफ बुक में?
I have written.
excuse me, ma'am.
Where?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Huh?
मैम मैंने तो एक ब्लू पेन से और एक ब्लैक पेन से ऐसे लिखा है.
मैम मैंने लिखेगा है
No
जैना मैम
problem. With any pen you can write.
Okay.
Once you have written, I will not tell you to write again.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
मैम केशवानी फातिमा मेहदी हसन ने चैट बॉक्स में बहुत बार अपना नाम लिखा है तो पूरा चैट बॉक्स भर गया है.
Okay, now for a few minutes, nobody please write your name. Those who want to read also or say the answer, anything. For a few minutes, nobody will write the answer. Let everyone complete this. Then again, when we will start exercise one day, you can write your
मैम
name, but only one time.
Yes, ma'am. उसने इतनी बार लिखी है फातिमा मेहदी
मैम
हसन
रूल्स
प्लीज
ऑफ राउंडिंग से लिखने का है ना
What? Repeat your question. Nayani Sakina, repeat your question.
मैम रूल्स ऑफ राउंडिंग से लिखने का है ना
Ah, means I have written here notes this one. And these notes I have written from this textbook only.
कैन
So
आई
if
रीड मैम
it's not visible, you can just write from the textual. But just maintain your fair
कैन
book.
आई रीड मैम
Those who are not maintaining.
Okay, ma'am. We have to write only notes and rounding.
मैम मेरी फेयर बुक थोड़ी इनकम्प्लीट है तो मैं भी रफ बुक में लिख डालूं
You can write in rough book or you can leave space and then you can write. जो भी करना.
मैम
Because if you know that how many pages it will take for the that
रफ
old
बुक
question and that, then you can leave the space.
मैम मैंने फेयर बुक में लिख लिया है
And by the way, who was asking? Wait, in the fair book I said. See on the screen also I have written.
ओके जैनब मैम
Yes.
मैम कुरैशी फातिमा मैम कह रही हूँ कि मेरे मैथ्स की बुक है ना फेयर बुक अंदर लिखेला है सब कुछ कंप्लीट है
Very good. Okay.
और मैम ये जो है नोट्स से ही हमको लिखने का है मेरे नोट्स और राउंडिंग एंड रूल्स ऑफ
Now last 1 minute, na everyone.
स्क्रीनशॉट ले ले.
मैम मैं
You
ओके
can. I
पठान
have given enough time that you will complete it. And after finishing, please inform me.
मैम
Once
वर्क
you.
इज डन
Okay, who?
इज डन पठान जीरा बानो
Okay, Zehra, very good.
मैम मैंने तो कब का लिख लिया है.
Good, very good.
मैम मैंने ना ये फेयर बुक में लिख डाला है
Very good. Now only. Okay. That's why I've sent you this PDF in advance so that you can just write. Because every day I don't give any other homework. Just what you have written during online class. The same thing you said. That's why. Okay, now I'm changing. Shall I wait for anybody?
Ma'am, 2 seconds, please.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Now shall I change or shall I wait?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, change.
So this is that question 1. Okay, now Bahjat Fatima, give me one name for reading heading.
Keshwani Fatima Mohammed Hassan.
Okay, Keshwani Fatima Mehendi Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
You can read that upside heading also and then the main heading, both.
Yes, ma'am. Solve, use any method you like. Round the nearest 10.
Okay, very good. So solve, use any method you like, round to the nearest 10. So as I said, there are 3 type of question, round to the nearest 10, then 100 also and then 1000 also. But what I have explained, that is only about nearest 10. And how you will nearest means how you will round this number. So you have to see multiple of 10. And multiple of 10 also I have explained, gap of 10, gap of 10. So first I am writing this question here. Okay, this way you have to write the question again this way, the same question. Then you have to draw this kind of line also in the fair book. Then you have to see that before 46, which is the number which is multiple of 10. 46 से पहले, just see the last 2 digits. So who will say 46 से पहले ऐसा कौन सा number है which is multiple of 10 means which has 1 0.
Ma'am, I tell 5.
46 से
Excuse me,
पहले,
ma'am.
not after. Which has
Excuse me, ma'am.
45.
Ma'am, 45. Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
मैम मैंने ये जो बड़ी वाली लाइन है ना वो मैंने पेंसिल से ड्रॉ की है, चलेगी?
हाँ, pencil से ही करना है. In the maths, whatever you have to draw with the pencil compulsory. So I
ओके
was
मैम.
before 46, like before 46, 45, 44, 43. So before that, which number has 0, 1 0 at one's place?
40. 40.
40.
Yes, 40.
40.
So we will write that number here, 1, 3, 4, and 0. Means before 46, this 40, that has 0. And in after number, means after 46, which number has 0?
50.
41.
Yes, 50.
That also is
1, 3, 5, 0. Now we will see that where we can write the question. So I'm writing the question here because it is in middle only. 1 3 4 40 और 1 3 50 के बीच में ही 1 3 46 आता है. Now we will see that it is close to which number, because if let me show that again. Here you can see that here they have written we will use nearest multiple of 10, means दोनों multiple of 10 है, but nearest का meaning क्या होता है?
50. जो उसके बाजू में हो एकदम.
Which is the closest. Nearest means closest. Okay, everyone, nearest means what?
Closest.
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 It has the least distance. Wo. So now we will see distance between these two also and these two also. So I'm giving 1 minute. You can think कि distance कितना है और कौन सा number, which number is closest. This number or this number. Okay, I'm giving 1 minute. Just think this or this. These I have written the question. These both are multiple of 10, means which has 1 0. Now you have to think, okay, which is closest, means nearest, means which has least distance from that to the
Ma'am, I
distance should
tell?
be less.
Ma'am, I tell?
Let everyone think. Let first everyone think. Because if you will not think about this, then you will not understand. Again, I'm repeating how I have drawn the line. So first you copy the question. So question is this 1346. The same question I have written 1346. Then you have to see in this number means before this number. Whose mic is this? Mute your mic. So I was saying that before this number, like 1345, 1344, 1343, all the numbers are there, means 44, 43, 42. But you have to see multiple of 10. Because just now I have explained when we round a number to the nearest 10, we use the nearest multiple of 10. So multiple of 10 means that which has 10 at one's place. So before this number, this is the number which has 10, and after number, this is the number which has 10. तो अब ये दोनों में से डिसाइड करना है that which is closest or nearest. Okay, now say the answer.
Can I say the answer?
In
Together.
Sabora.
Ma'am, can I say? 150. 1350.
1350.
1350.
1350.
Ma'am, 1350. 1350. Ma'am, 1350.
So same way you can just copy the question and the same way you can draw the lines like this. Then we will solve the answer together. First copy this one. And if possible, then start next question before me.
मैम वो नीचे का लिखा हुआ है 1340 1340 फिनिश वो पेन से लिखने का है
That you write.
मैम माय वर्क इज आल्सो फिनिश
Line you can draw with pencil.
Ma'am, I have done.
मैम माय वर्क इज फिनिश मैम माय वर्क इज फिनिश
Then you can start next question.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have understood now that what is multiple of 10, like those who understood, they will only able to solve this. If you understood that concept, means this concept is very easy. So first try to clear that concept. What is multiple of 10? Means which has 10. Okay, and which has gap of 10. You can see gap between this and this. That is 10. So these are multiple of 10. Then you have to see that our question is near to which multiple of 10. मतलब 1350 से करीब है कि 1340 से. That way. So just copy this, then try next questions.
मैम हमको बीच में वही नंबर लिखना है जो क्वेश्चन में मीन्स 2388 एंड बाजू में दो एक्स्ट्रा नंबर मीन्स ये 50 और 40 जैसा नंबर लिखना.
These both are multiple of 10. So that both the numbers you have to write end. Right side end and left side end you have to write multiple of 10.
Okay.
Number will be in between that number, but it can be here, it can be here, it can be here, it can be here. Depends के कौन सा number है, 30 से करीब है. After you copy this, please inform me so that we can start next question also. And those who are trying next question, good.
my work is done
And even think that which will be the multiple of 10 before and after of this. That then I will write that. You just have to see last two digits, huh? Here also we have seen last two digit के 46 से पहले कौन सा ऐसा number है which is multiple of 10, and after 46 which number is there which is multiple of 10. So here also before 88 and after 88. Now Bajaj Fatima, give me next name. Let's see that student can give the answer or not.
I tell Insia Bohra.
Okay, Insia, you can say that here which number shall I write? Means before number which is multiple of 10.
23 23880.
Very good. So before 88, 80 is the number which has 0, means which is multiple of 10. Now next, who wants to say after number which is multiple of 10? You just have to see last two digit, like 80 is before number of 80 which has 1 0. So after 88, which number has 1 0?
Ma'am, can I say the next one?
Yes, me.
Okay.
2 3 will be.
Next is 2390.
So after number of 88 which has 0 is 90, and before number of 80 which has 0 is 80. So now 88 is close to, means it's, we can write it here. So now again think, and you to say the answer together when I will ask you that it is close to which number? This number, our question. This is our question, and it nears to which number? So say the answer. It nears to which number?
90.
90.
2390.
Yes, it close to, you can see this number is near and closest. Now let me see the time. 10:09. Okay, so just do this and then try next one. Next question you can already see down.
My work is done.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I try number C?
Yes, you all can try C, D, and E, and then next time just match your answer. You can see upside C, D, E. Three of the questions are there. So in homework, you just have to try C, D, E, and you can send me photo of what you have done today in online class. Now I'm showing the puzzle. Today's puzzle, this one. This is very easy puzzle. And this is puzzle which I give you every day. So I'm explaining the. These are the missing numbers here. These are missing numbers. Now you have to fill these boxes with few numbers that you will get answer 13 also here with addition. Here also the same number, with the same number you will get addition 8. And here also with same number you will get addition 8. And here with subtraction you will get the answer 6. मतलब बार बार here when you write the question means any number, no, like suppose if you are writing like 8, then 8 how many you will add, so you will get 13.
4 4.
I'm taking a screenshot.
5. We will add 5.
हाँ, so that number you will write. Then again you will see कि भाई यहाँ पे करने के लिए कितने चाहिए. But if you are not getting here, then you will rub and then again just fill another number. Means write another number, then again see. Gets the answer 13 this way, gets the answer 8 here.
6 plus 7.
Okay, that way you need to try to solve.
Ma'am, I'll send you photo.
But you can take time, solve, then you can tell me.
मैम मैं आज ही आपको ये फोटो भेज दूंगी.
Okay.
I also.
This
Ma'am,
one is
I
a bit easier than that one, but I don't know now. This is even hard for you or not. Let's see that how many answers I will get.
No, ma'am, it's too easy.
Okay, if I will get less answers, then from tomorrow, even low level than this I will give. Not the same level. Let's see today. Okay, understood, no, this one?
Yes.
No? So we will meet now tomorrow. So just try that CDE, that round to the nearest 10. I wanted to send that PDF so that you can know that how to draw a line and how to write both the multiple of 10 before also and after also. And then just try to complete that.
8 या 9, 6, 8 या
Okay? Both the thing. Just you have to try.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will meet tomorrow. Until have a nice day and take care of yourself and even try to maintain the fair book and try to revise everything every day.
Sana ma'am,
Yes.
what is today's homework?
What you have written today right now with me, that you have to send me, and even you have to try CDE or a puzzle B. Even this puzzle also you have to try because I want that whether you will get the answer or not, at least you must try. Try तो करना ही चाहिए भले
Ma'am,
आए कि ना आए. That is another.